Hey friends, it's Mia with the UBCO Student Life team. Today I have a day in the life going through what it's like being a very busy university student and some tips on how to manage your time. I really hope you enjoyed this video, so see you on that very day. Good morning friends, welcome to my bathroom. It is currently 7:49. First stop of the day is the dentist, so I'm getting ready. If you take one thing away from this video, wear SPF every day. Just kidding. I'm hoping that there will be a lot of valuable advice in this here video, so please stick around. So it is currently 8 o'clock. My alarm just went off. This is my schedule for the day. I don't know if you can see it. Time for the dentist to get these teeth cleaned. I don't know what this appointment's for. I could be getting my wisdom teeth out for all I know. Alright people, I am happy to report back. It was only a cleaning. Proof that I was there. I got the dentist goodies. They said something about me having to floss more. Fine. I'll try. But yeah, now it's 9:48. I have my work meeting with my boss, Katie Kins, at 10 o'clock. So I gotta dash home. Good thing we're close by. Okay, so I'm logging into my work meeting. It is now 10 o'clock. It is over Zoom. Y'all can say hi to Katie, but that's only if she wants to say hi. She's got lots to do. Super famous girl, so. This is our weekly check-in as student content creators. Oh, there she is. Do you want to say hi to my vlog? Oh, I did my hair. Do you want to? Hey guys, it's Katie!
Doing good?
Okay guys, I told you she's really busy and she doesn't have time to say hi to all of you, so she's gotta go. Okay, see you later. It's 11:12 a.m. I was just doing some work after our one-on-one meeting, and I'm in class. So we'll chat later. Hey friends, I am now on the way to my friend Sonia's house. We're gonna be working on our final projects for one of the classes we're both in. I stayed a bit longer in my last class, which was creative writing. It was a workshopping period, so it was really great to get all that feedback on our screenplays. And yeah, I had to do a few more things before I left, so I'm running a bit behind, and that's just what happens sometimes as students, you know? Things come up. Fortunately, I have really great and understanding friends. That's so cool. Hi friends, I'm with Sonia!
You spent too much money.
We just went to Nestor's Market. Are you sure? Okay, we went to Nestor's Market to get the good stuff, which is healthy food. Because and chicken strips. I also bought. Don't tell my mom. But now we're going to Sonia's house to study. Wink, wink.
No wink wink. We're actually gonna.
Hi everyone. We're in Sonia's house. So this is my first time here actually. She actually forced me to sit down and do my work. So if you have good friends, they would do the same for you. I'm sipping on my Red Bull. Lord knows I need that. And now I'm gonna do some creative writing work super quickly before we do our media studies. Hey friends, update. It's 4:45 p.m. and it looks like it's 10 o'clock outside. Have I been doing work? A little bit. Sonia's been keeping me accountable, and she's also making Japanese curry, so I guess that's our reward for studying really hard. How many winks was that? If you can tell me in the comments, I'll give you a high five at school. Now we're finally working on our final project. It's not a group project. Someone just needs to keep me focused. What's your best like time management tip for university students?
Just do the work. Don't leave it. If you do it faster, it'd be done faster, and then you can move on with your life.
That's great advice, and that was not targeted to anyone at all. So take that advice and keep it with you. Okay, bye friends. Hey friends, it's a different day, but we'll go over everything else that happened that day. After our study sesh, Sonia, as you know, cooked this amazing Japanese curry that I will put right here. I'm salivating at the thought of it. It was so good. And after, she so kindly drove me home because I had a special gathering for church that I attended online. That was around 7 o'clock. And then that went on into the evening. After that, I just chilled for the rest of the night. I did like light work here and there, but nothing too crazy. And that's just one of my days. It was quite jam-packed, a lot of things to do. This next section of our video will be just general tips and advice and knowledge that I've gained over the years to hopefully help you guys out too. When it comes to time management in university, I quickly found out that university is very different from high school or from any other kind of schedule I've ever had. You really build your own schedule and it's up to you personally to stick to it. I really appreciate like structure, so I have something to follow, because if I don't create structure for myself or if I don't have structure, I just get lost in the day and I end up doing nothing for hours and hours and hours. What really helps is planning out your entire day the night before. So what I would do is write down everything that I'd have to get done, and on my Google Calendar, which you guys saw earlier, or at least a bit of it, I would block out time for every single thing I'd have to do. That includes like brushing my teeth, eating meals, having breaks, the time it takes to travel even, and then you'll visually see everything you have to do. It's easier, so much easier to follow that, so at least you have an allotted time for everything. Actually, funny thing is that this video has been on my to-do list for the past like 4 months. It's a little bit ironic since this is a time management vlog. So another super important thing, the importance of being proactive and communicative, just because sometimes you can feel the load piling up, but it's really helpful if you would just communicate with your team, with your prof, with your friends. Hey, I got a lot going on. I might need some extra support, some extra time, extra extensions. Profs are so understanding, especially when profs feel that you care about the class and care about your work. They want you to succeed as well. A lot of the times things happen outside of our control, so if you can't get everything done that you're planning to do, it's okay. Give yourself grace. We need to forgive ourselves more, and we'll try again tomorrow. I'm sending virtual hugs through the camera. Thank you so much for joining me throughout my day. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it just a tiny bit helpful. If you have any more requests for us, please feel free to comment down below, and follow at UBCO Students on Instagram, and subscribe and like this video. We'll see you next time, and I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Bye!